welcome to our SIXiDER Show, and joining me next to me. Actually, I didn't ask your name. What's your name?
I'm Jovan.
Jovan from City Energy.
Yes.
Also, if you are not very clear, is part of, or rather, City Gas rebrand.
Correct. I mean,
As City Energy.
before City Energy, we were named SIXiDES.
So, very big company lah,
Thank you,
right?
thank you.
And then, from what I know, is that you guys don't have a booth here, but at the Smart Home Tech Show, you guys are partnered with Mover.
Yes, I think it's been almost 2 years we've been doing this with them. We thought we collaborate very well, so our product goes very well together. So
Okay.
therefore, we've been doing it like that.
So what's the agenda? Since you guys, I do see this live by City Energy outside. You do have a presence, but what is your agenda in this exhibition?
I think we have a pretty good gas appliance product. We have a gas water heater, we have hob and hood, we have dryer, and we find that Smart Home Tech Show will be a wonderful opportunity for new homeowner coming in. Just collect their key or about to collect their key, want to get good appliances and with a great deal.
Yeah.
So we want to be able to connect with them.
So it's like an awareness and maybe an opportunity to address some of the bias related to the industry.
Yeah. It's always nice to meet the folks.
So what's the one big bias you think you always get when people are when you try to introduce this product to them?
I think people are quite familiar with the electric variant, especially for gas water heater.
Yep. Yeah.
We are one of our hero product, or our hero product is actually gas water heater. We find it really almost revolutionary comparing to electric variant, and a lot of people have not heard about that product before. So when we pitched the USPs for the product, some of the customer will be like, "Oh, really? So good." Then we gave those verification, and doesn't take too long for them to eventually just buy it. And our sales been quite well.
What are the 3 key benefits? I mean, if you are doing a side by side, electric variant versus the gas variant, maybe you can tell us top 3 key benefits.
Absolutely. So we have. I mean, I always like to I would like to start with this story. Before I come to City Energy, my house is a storage water heater.
Okay.
My storage water heater is a 30-liter at the bathroom. It's very bulky, and my wife showers very long. So after she shower, I have to wait for my whole tank to fill up, and vice versa, right?
So she used 20 liter.
Almost there. She liked the sauna experience.
Okay. Yeah.
So when we moved to our current house, my wife was like, if 20 liter not enough, 30, 40, 50 liter, that's the way to go lah. But I'm thinking like, now HDB home a bit small for you to fit that kind of space. So when I joined this company, I got to know this product, and with a new design and everything is just fantastic. So I told my wife about it. She said, just buy it. So I've been using gas water heater for almost 2 years. It's
So
wonderful.
the technology is in contrast to a storage heater where essentially you're heating and you're storing the hot water. Gas heater is that the water passes the
almost
thing.
like an instant water heater.
So
Instantly heat up.
It goes through the coil.
You're right.
That is heated.
You're right.
And then after that it's instant.
You're right.
Can it be used? Okay, so second myth. Can it be used for bathtub?
Actually, bathtub, I would say absolutely the only choice you have is a gas water heater. Why?
Why?
Because how big is the tub? 50?
For
60?
HDB is 1.5, 0.6 like that. No? Yeah,
Like how
0.5 meter.
many liter in the tub? How much water you can fill?
I suppose 20, 30.
Yeah. So 80. My colleagues say 80 liter.
80
So you
wow.
need to fill my 20 liter. I must
use
fill.
bathtub.
I have to fill the whole 20 liter. Wait for it to heat up maybe 20 minutes.
Yeah.
I will do 4 times. I'll take 1 hour. By the time the first 20 liter cold already. So gas water heater is a consistent, continuous hot water.
Okay.
So if you use bathtub, you have to use gas water heater for you to have that bathtub effect lah.
Okay, so of course it's easy to say that gas heater does not use electricity because ultimately you're using gas. But if you do again side by side, right? Energy is essentially also it's a burning of fuel in order to get. Yeah. So this is also fuel.
Right.
Gas is also fuel.
Right.
Side by side comparison, which one is cheaper?
If you compare, not just we say NEA says. My favorite thing to quote. NEA says that if you use storage water heater and you move to gas water heater, over a period of 10 years, you save $1,200.
Huh?
So
Serious,
that's fantastic. That's one of the benefits. That's the second benefit, in fact, that we always pitch to our customers.
And this thing, right? Again, if you're comparing, there's the instant heater,
Right.
which means that you have to have a wiring, and then you have to have a device in the bathroom itself. And then there's a storage heater which you can ultimately put at the yard lah, but it's still quite
Yeah.
substantial.
Yeah. A
And
limited
still,
space.
and still use power
Yeah.
and has a limited storage capacity.
Correct.
Right. So the more people, more occupants requiring hot water,
Yeah.
the bigger the canister.
Correct.
But in the case of gas heater, it doesn't consume a large footprint in the yard, right? And basically all the points all run through to the yard, so there are no devices inside the bathroom itself.
No, and that's one of the benefit that we always tell our customers, because the bathroom is really so small. You have this big tank on top of you. It's very bulky, like you feel like something's pressing you down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially, okay, then let's talk about resale then. You know, this has to be equipped down gas in order for
Yeah.
you. So if let's say there are no, you don't have the down gas running into your unit, then unfortunately you can't have that lah.
Yeah, but we don't have a lot of units in Singapore that have no town gas. I'll say probably like about 5 to 10% doesn't have town gas.
Oh.
But the rest of 90% we do have.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the other myth or bias that I'm not sure whether this is true, but are the older folks more apprehensive about switching from the electrical to the gas heaters?
So we did this project called a conversion project.
Okay.
So for customers that are using electric variant, we move them over to gas water heater. The common feedback from the customer, right, they will say that actually all along I want to use gas water heater, but because for me to convert from electric to gas, it consists of carpentry. I need to drill the hole. I need to be able to do water pipe. I need to have the electrical outlet over there. I'm not able to do it myself, or it's too expensive. So the project I'm heading, we call a conversion project. We do it all under a price of $1,200, $1,199.
Yeah.
And then customer can pay over 12 months.
Oh.
So when I tell that to the older folks, uncle, auntie, they got very excited. Said, I'll do it. And since then, we have already converted. Just last year, we started in about March. We have converted more than 1,000 houses.
Wow.
From electric to gas water heater.
So essentially you're lowering the friction.
Absolutely.
So you don't think there is a bias, it's just that
They just don't
accessibility.
have the access to it. And we created the access for them.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I think actually just to kind of put the message out there,
Yeah.
I think if you were to compare side by side, right, there are always risks involved. Even electricity, I think a few years ago, not a few years ago, quite some time ago, I've read an article where an elderly folk went to the bathroom, but there was a heater and then it shocked her and then she died
Electric
on the spot.
lah.
Yeah. Then the husband also went to go and see why so long never come out.
Aiyo.
Step on the wet water, also
Aiyo.
got electrocuted, die on the spot.
Yeah.
Then the son came back,
Yeah.
wanted to find out what happened,
Oh, no.
saw the two parents, stepped on the water, and also died. This was really a documented
How
case
many
in
years ago was
Singapore.
that?
10多年了.
Aiyo.
But it really happened. Because
Aiyo.
sometimes what happens is that, you know, Reno, then sometimes they tear down, then the heater they think is still good. And then what they say is that, hey, I reuse somewhere lah.
Yeah.
Then they reuse somewhere, then they go and install it. Maybe the installation wasn't done proper.
Right.
But what happens is that this thing outlived its life already, and the wirings are exposed, and essentially in the bathroom where you got a lot of moisture things rust, and if not maintained properly, right, it's quite dangerous.
Yeah.
Yeah. So actually, my point I'm trying to say is that there is bias, but I think it's important to try to understand that new technology is always happening, it's always growing. Yeah.
Absolutely. I think if I could follow up with that safety aspect for gas water heater, we're not very sure about the electric variant. For gas water heater, our installation for gas pipe all the gas pipe electrical and all of that is proper. Especially for our gas pipe, we have our LGSW, licensed LGSW.
Yeah.
It's not someone from Carousel. They don't know what they're doing. Absolutely licensed, and it's done by only City Energy or City Gas.
Yeah.
People what familiar with. And on top of that, our heater, we have 25 safety feature. One of my favorite is the one that we mentioned. I mean, we don't have electric issue lah, but whenever there is a gas leak, for example, the heater will detect that and it will cut it.
Oh, okay. Like
Means
a
that-
safety valve like that.
Means got gas come out, there's no ignition fire lah, they will cut it. And then if the exhaust fan is not working, they will cut it. And for kids, for houses with kids, for example, you know, for storage water heater, right? Last time when I'm young, my mom used storage water heater. They want to shower the kids. The first wave of the water test hot or not. For gas water heater, don't have that issue.
Consistent one.
Consistent. The moment the first wave of the hot water hit it is what you have already preset. and we call it anti-scalding protection.
Yeah.
So we have this 25 protection that I'm not sure that I don't think our electric variant competitors may have.
Don't think so. And also for some resale projects, right? Depending how you run the pipes, because some of the pipes will have to be exposed for resale projects.
Right.
From the hot water heater coming down, usually these pipes are also very hot. So if you have kids at home, right, can also be quite dangerous.
I mean the way I put it in my house is actually at the corner of my service yard.
Yeah.
So if talk about hot, right? Unless I don't know, even you put your hand on the hot water pipe, right, it doesn't scald you.
Yeah.
It doesn't scald you. So I don't think we have that. We don't have worry.
Exactly. So it's usually those that are the resale property, which is why I'm trying to say like 30, 40 years one. If they are still like rather not running town gas, right, then very likely still using storage heater.
Right.
You have that because from the storage heater the water come down, it's exposed one. So all the pipes, especially the stainless steel pipe, can be quite dangerous.
Okay.
But
okay.
that's the storage heater part lah. The other one I think we want to also address is that if you are already using town gas for your cooking and it's safe, then there shouldn't be a double standard when it comes to like why your heater shouldn't be using. Might as well, right?
You're absolutely right.
And it's actually a solution that they provide completely. And I know that you guys have a new product. It's not a new product, internationally speaking, but it's something that's gaining adoption right now. And I know it's actually the clothes dryer. Yes.
The one viral.
Yeah. So clothes dryer, if you don't know, you should know it consumes a lot of electricity in a conventional way. So by using gas, right? Again, no electricity, but still got some kind of consumption.
Yeah.
And is it faster?
It is absolutely faster because I use electric because before my wife chose an electric one, so I compared it with the store that we are using in our Plaza Sing store. To dry our clothes, electric take about 2 hours. For gas one, 45 minutes, and maybe lesser if your load is lesser actually. Yeah. So, but
is the footprint the same or bigger, smaller?
more or less the same.
Oh,
more or less the same. Of course, depending on the different capacity. But I would say that the effect of gas clothes dryer is that it gives a sun dried effect.
Crispy.
Very crispy. You have that smell. You put on the sun. For electric, sometimes very crumpled lah.
Yeah.
Very crumpled.
Nice.
So what I hear from my customer that they buy a Rinnai gas coat dryer, used for 10, 15 years. They will use the same exact model and they will say if it's not broken, don't fix it. And it's the best. It's
Awesome.
the best.
Yeah. So if you want to find out about all these unique gas appliances, right, you can go to Movers.
Please. Please.
And they have specialists there that you can actually speak to and find out. Jovan, sorry. Jovan. And you can actually find out more about their products, right? So for this event, is there any special promotion?
Oh, we have our promotion. We have two gift with purchase. We have a biosystem door lock.
Okay.
That goes at retail about $660.
Biosystem is just the fingerprint or the facial recognition?
The facial recognition, fingerprint, everything.
Solid.
So you think about it, you buy a heater for $550. We include installation. We give you a door lock. If you don't want door lock, I got a corner fan where it costs about $200 over.
So there's a lot of like upgrades that you can do.
Absolutely.
So if you're on the fence or you want to go and check out and find out more, right? There are only 2 more days left in this Smart Home Tech Show. Head over to the Mover booth. They're quite substantial, orange color one.
Yep, you
and
won't
then
miss
inside
us.
there you will see City Energy's specialists. You can go and grill them. By this one only 15-minute episode. You go and grill them some more.
I look forward to seeing everyone.
Yeah. Thanks, Jovan.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.